Alright guys, so the big move is coming. It's only days away. I want to show you how accurate these fib circles and these charts are. This was yesterday's video. I was saying pay attention to this ring. Let me play a clip of this video real quick. Possible this ring could be resistance and it could push us down below the support for a drop. So I was saying pay attention to this ring. This ring could push us down. This is the actual chart. Let me hit play. This is where it was when I published it. So you can see that ring sent price down, and actually if you look at it on the 3-hour, which is good to check it out in different time frames, but notice every time we hit this ring, resistance, 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 and now we found support on it. So just showing you how that played out. This is another chart. I was giving you a price target to the downside, 31,186. Let me play a clip of this video. Get my mouse on this. Your next support level to watch is going to be right here. Potentially at 31,500, and then your next support is going to be around 30. So I gave you a target of 31,147. I'll hit play on this chart, and notice we came down and we found support right here on this fib channel line as expected. This is the next chart. This chart I was telling you pay attention to this fib circle. We've been expecting this white ring up top, this white ring below, so if we come down, a likely support level will be this ring. This is showing you how accurate these fib circles are, and not only finding support and resistance, but they can also predict moves, just like I showed you back here. So let me go ahead and play a clip of this real quick. Top. Your next support below, we've been expecting this white ring, so around 31,684, and if I hit play on this chart, you can see that ring ended up being support. This right here, so, and guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter's private, you have to be subscribed to my charts, but I do want to show you, I made an update. I said, look, this was support, so if we come down, this will likely be support. And you can see how this chart played out. This was support. This was the support level I had marked off. But notice we came down as support. We broke it, and notice what happens. Support flips as resistance, flips as resistance. So you knew when to get in and when to get out if you're scalp trading. This chart here, this is the peak of the bull run chart. I added this trend line here, just showing you this seemed like the top. This is likely point to get rejected. Notice we got rejected right here. This was the tweet I made here. Notice price was pushing up. I said, look, this is a likely point to get rejected to come down. That is how it played out. So guys, do follow me on Twitter. It's easy to make posts and keep you guys updated. So what I'm going to get into, so I'm trying to show you how accurate these fib circles are, and why I'm predicting that major move for Bitcoin soon. By the way, guys, if you do want to access these charts, the website's opticalartcrypto.com. Link will be pinned in the first comment and the description. Bitcoins, altcoins, precious metals, stocks, and tutorials. Guys, it takes time to put videos up. It can take an hour, 2 hours to process, record, upload a video. So if you access the charts, you have them 24/7. They play out live. You just go to the website, click the link, load up which chart you want to watch, so you always know what your price targets are at any time. You just click it and you have the chart right there in front of you. Again, it's $39 a month. Get access to altcoin, Bitcoins, precious metals, as well as access to my Twitter and our Discord. So guys, this brings me to when the bubble's gonna pop. So as I showed you with this ring here, they predicted a potential move which pushed us down. This chart here, you can see this ring actually nailed the bottom. This chart right here, guys, this ring, every time we hit this orange ring, the dollar pushes up. Hit the ring, the dollar pushes up. When we hit this ring, the dollar is going to push up. This is on the 28th. This plays into this chart. This is around the 28th. When the dollar pushes up, we will be breaking up from this. When the dollar is coming down, Bitcoin pushes up. I expect the dollar to push up. That means Bitcoin is going to continue down. So I'm expecting an epic move within the next few days. So pay attention to that date. This plays along with all of the stock markets, or at least the U.S. markets, the Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ. I'm expecting we could come up a little bit more, but I'm expecting at this point, this is when the markets start correcting. And guys, if you do want to access these charts, I have all of my buy-in targets right here on this chart. the Bitstamp daily moving average is 300, 200, 100. This is my first buy-in to catch bounce. This is the first support level that has to hold for us to continue on our bull run. So if we come down, we find support here, push up. If you miss this, you'll never see this price again. If we come down, we break it, we hit this point, this could be the lowest point you'll ever see again. The bearish scenario, if things get really bad and we come down and we find resistance at this ring, this is the lowest point I ever see Bitcoin going again. You do not want to miss that buy target. So again, guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter, make sure that you send me an email if you are subscribed to my charts. I will accept your Twitter follow request. And again, the website's optimalartcrypto.com. As far as Bitcoin charts, these are the different exchange charts. These are BTC related, and these are the altcoin charts that I have available. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, XLM, Neo, Cardano, Chainlink, Tezos, BSV, Comp, VeChain, EOS, Polkadot, OMG, Wi-Fi, DeFi, Libra, and Binance Coin. And I do have other charts on metals and stocks, which I'll cover in another video. But guys, do pay attention. This is the date, the 28th. Pay attention to it. That's when I expect the dollar to moon. That is when I expect markets to correct. And of course, if markets are coming down, the dollar's pushing up. You can expect Bitcoin to continue down. That's it, guys. Till the next video.